So therefore, we have a question is, if there is a perpendicular to the line, perpendicular to ax plus by plus c equal to 0. If we have this perpendicular, what is the perpendicular to this line is, what is the form? Bx minus ay plus k equal to 0. And this line is passing through this perpendicular line, and this line is passing through the point. What is the point? x1 comma y1. Then it is nothing but bx1 minus ay1 plus k equal to 0. From that, find the k value. Find k. So therefore, here that the line, what is the line? The line is equal to 5x plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0. Perpendicular line, perpendicular to the line, perpendicular to the line. So what is the perpendicular to line? So this form is that 3x minus 5y plus k equal to 0. And this line, if I am taking, this is a equation 1 and this is equation 2. Substitute x1 y1 into substitute x1 comma y1, that is equal to, what is the line? 3 comma minus 4 into. So therefore, what is the form? This is nothing but 3x minus 1 plus 5 minus y by 1 plus 5k equal to 0. And this is nothing but 3 into x1 value. What is the x1 value? x1 equal to 3 minus 5 into y1 value minus 4 plus k equal to 0. So therefore, this is nothing but a 9 plus 20 plus k equal to 0. So k equal to minus 29. Substitute k value in 1 in 2. So therefore, it is nothing but 3x minus 5y plus minus 29 equal to 0. So it is the perpendicular line to the equation 1. It is the perpendicular line to the equation 1. So here how we are solving this problem? First, what is the given question? The given question is, find the equation of straight line passing through the point 3 comma minus 4 and it is perpendicular to the line 5x plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0. So that means this is a given perpendicular line. So this is a line. What is the form? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. That means we take the perpendicular to this line. Perpendicular to this line is so this is not a correct one. So this is not original. And this is a perpendicular to the line. And it is passing through that. x1 comma y1. So therefore, if this is that ax plus by plus c equal to 0, we need to find the perpendicular to this line. What is the perpendicular to this line? Bx minus ay plus k equal to 0. And this perpendicular line is passing through the point x1 comma y1. If it is passing through the point, means just we substitute the point x equal to x1 and y is equal to y1. So if we write that x is equal to x1, we get that bx1 minus a1 ay1 plus k equal to 0. We find the k value. Okay. So therefore, the line is equal to, what is the given line? 5x plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0. We take the perpendicular to this line, that is nothing but 3x minus 5y plus k equal to 0. We need to find the k value. Just we substitute that x1 y1, that is nothing but 3 comma minus 4 into, then we get that k equal to minus 29. Substitute this k value into, we get that 3x minus 5y minus 29 equal to 0, and this line is perpendicular to the line 5x plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0. So here the terms will be a and b will be interchange. Next one is and what is the next question? The next question is parallel line. That is, next problem is find the equation of straight line. Equation of straight line. Passing through 3 comma minus 4. Through 3 comma minus 4 and parallel to 3x plus 5y minus 21 equal to 0. And the solution is, first we have that equation, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. We take the parallel line, that is a parallel line, and this parallel line is passing through the point x1 comma y1, that is parallel line equal to ax plus by plus k equal to 0. This is a parallel, and this is passing through x1 comma y1. Just we substitute that, that is here that straight line equal to, straight line is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. A parallel line means, what is the parallel line? So these two are same, that is ax plus by is same, take constant c equal to 0, and this parallel line is passing through, parallel line is passing through x1 comma y1, nothing but just that is ax1 plus by1 plus k equal to 0. From that find the k value. So therefore, what is the given question? The ax plus by plus c, this is a given line, that is nothing but it is nothing but 3x plus 5y minus 21 equal to 0. So therefore, if we have that ax plus parallel line, what is the form? Ax plus by plus k equal to 0, and this is nothing but 3x plus 5y plus k equal to 0, and this line is passing through, the parallel line is passing through parallel line is passing through x1 comma y1, that is equal to 3 comma minus 4. So that is nothing but 3x1 plus 5y1 plus k equal to 0. From that, find the k value. Find the k value. That is, find the k value. So that is nothing but, what is that x1? x1 is equal to 3 and the y1 equal to minus 4. That is 3 into 3 plus 5 into minus 4 plus k equal to 0. That is nothing but 9 minus 20 plus k equal to 0. From that, k equal to, this is a 9 minus 10, minus 11. Minus 11 will be converted into
మళ్ళీ సరే
మళ్ళీ చెప్పాలంతే, ఇంకా ఏం లేదు.
మళ్ళీ